In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zelle account step by step. Let's get started right from your phone or computer. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, or whatever you use. You can also open the Zelle app if you already have it installed, but in this walkthrough, we'll follow the website path so everything is clear and easy to see. In the browser's search bar, type Zelle sign up, and then open the official Zelle website. Make sure you're on the real site before you proceed. Look for the correct branding and a secure connection. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you find the Get Started button and tap it. This is your entry point to begin the process and connect Zelle to your bank or credit union. Next, scroll again to find the section where you can search for your bank or credit union. Type the name of your financial institution and select it from the list that appears. If your bank is listed, go ahead and tap Continue. This will route you to the right place to enroll using your existing banking details. You're staying within a secure flow that your bank recognizes. On the next screen, tap Enroll Now and then select Sign In. This typically opens a secure sign-in portal associated with your bank. Use the same credentials you use for online or mobile banking. Take your time and double-check what you enter to avoid lockouts. You'll now be prompted to provide the required information. This usually includes an email address or mobile number you want linked to Zelle, as well as basic bank and personal details to verify your identity. Choose a phone number or email you check often, since this is how people will find you on Zelle and how you'll receive notifications. Keep everything consistent with what your bank has on file to prevent delays. When you're ready, tap Begin Enrollment and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The prompts are straightforward. Just continue confirming details as requested. If you see any verification steps, complete them right away so your enrollment finalizes smoothly. That's it, your Zelle account will be created successfully and you can start sending or receiving money. Before your first transfer, take a moment to confirm your display name and preferred receiving account and review your bank's daily and weekly limits. Always send to people you trust and verify a recipient's phone number or email before you hit send. With everything set up, you're ready to use Zelle confidently and securely.